If you're struggling to form a session bias, it's because you're not reading the order flow at certain key levels. So I always use the power of three indicator and I want to be buying below the opening. But a lot of traders make this mistake of not understanding that you need to read price action when price comes down into this area, and you need to understand what's going on over here before taking price to the upside. So if we take an example here live on the charts, what we've seen is we've seen a bearish point of interest or a bearish PY. This fair value gap has failed, and so price is broken above. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a retest in, and we need to understand what is going over here, what is going on in terms of the price action. Very important to understand. So when we go to the ATAS platform, we're studying this exact rejection over here, right? So notice how even though we have a red candle, we see a very, very, very large buyer stepping in as the market moves down. This is important to understand. In fact, when we read the order flow, we see 346 for 730. So they were double the amount of aggressive buyers as they were aggressive sellers. Now, as we come into this area, we can see a huge amount of buying volume, even though the overall candle was, yes, a green candle. We see so many buyers stepping in this region, and we actually see the sellers failing at the bottom. So the fact that we've seen buyers step in from this zone indicates that the market is willing to move higher in the first place. So when we just kind of remove the candles from here, we can begin to understand that this is a strong rejection, and we can have our stop loss below here. And we're simply looking to target the high of the 10 a.m. candle. So the reason you're able to catch these trades like this is because you need to understand exactly what is going on between the buyers and the sellers.